All right, so it looks like a lot of people were there for that event. They were inside, but it was a pretty nice day and still is outside for folks who want to enjoy it.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm going to say go ahead, roll the windows down. It is a little bit on the humid side for today, and we'll keep that humidity in the forecast for a few more days. Now, there is relief in sight as we head into the later part of the week, but we've got a little situation between now and then that we have to get through to get to that fall-like feel. Satellite and radar out there right now, mainly quiet. I mentioned at the beginning of the show that one isolated shower now happening over Chowan County, going to be moving into Bertie County. Other than that, just a few clouds out there, mainly dry, lots of sunshine for your Sunday afternoon. Big picture here, you seeing this was the track of Odette, what became Odette on Friday, and we're going to actually be watching the leftovers of Odette as we go through the next few days. We'll take a look at the full tropics swath coming up in just a bit. You're seeing lots of activity down into the southeastern United States and also back toward our west. Now we're going to actually stay pretty quiet for the next couple of days. Sustained winds out there, a few areas up to 15 miles an hour. Not too breezy, but we will see those winds picking up over the next couple of days as well. Now the sun, it's setting out there. This is our Nauticus camera. Let me step over here so you can kind of see some of that sunset setting up there. Current temperatures out there, 75 in Norfolk, 78 right now in Chesapeake, 82 in Suffolk, and 77 with sunshine in Newport News. Your evening fire pit forecast clear with again just an isolated shower. 95+% of us stay dry for tonight. The next 12 hours will drop down into the 60s, a little bit cooler for our inland zones and for our coastal locations. Waxing gibbous moon will have that official full moon tomorrow night, and this one for September is called the harvest moon. Now the bus stop forecast for tomorrow, not too bad out there. We'll have temperatures in the 70s. We're actually going to stay dry. Actually forgot to go ahead and edit that graphic. We'll have lots of sunshine for tomorrow. This is the correct forecast. Breezy start to the week, mostly sunny. Temperatures starting off in the 80s. Now your humidity forecast, I mentioned that there's relief in sight. We're looking toward the end of the week behind a cold front that will move through Wednesday into Thursday. Now let's jump into the tropics. Few things I mentioned. Odette's remnants back in the forecast. Low chance for redeveloping tropical characteristics. We have Peter, we have Rose, we have a tropical wave, which in the 5-day outlook has a medium chance for development. Now as far as Peter and Rose go, we've got Peter here farther to the west, Rose farther to the east. Neither one of these is expected to directly impact land as a tropical storm. Now we'll have to watch Peter because right here is Bermuda. We could see some impacts from Peter in Bermuda, but for us here in Hampton Roads, northeastern North Carolina, not too much of an issue. We're over 2/3 of the way through the list of names, and remember, we are not going back to the Greek alphabet. There is a supplemental list of names if we do exhaust the actual name list that they put out for the beginning of the season. Now for us here, next 7 days, you see those rain chances going up for Wednesday into Thursday. That's that cold front. It's not only going to knock our temperatures down, it's going to knock humidity down, so we'll really be feeling like fall as we head into next weekend.
Ooh, Rochelle and Brian, I'm telling you what, I am this close to pulling my sweaters on over into the closet. It's game is nice, Rochelle. You just wait.